peeps, I am mega excited. My new Handolly has come. My new Handolly has come. So I've literally just cut the sellotape here and I'm going to open this box with you guys. Oh, maybe I should have cut some more sellotape. Hold on. Yeah, I need to cut some more. Where did I see this? Here we go. Sorry, my desk is a mess because I just wanted to open the box. And I still need to clean my desk from my last set of nails. Naughty, I know. Oh my goodness. Look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look. Can you see the skin tone? Oh. Look. She's a lovely chocolate brown. Look at that. Oh, my Naomi is here. This is Cindy, as in Cindy Crawford, and this is Naomi, as in Naomi Campbell. I mentioned in one of my other videos that I would name them after supermodels. Back in the day, supermodels. I'm showing my age now, but yeah, you can see the colour difference. Oh, I can't wait to have a play. And as you'll notice, Naomi has slide-in tips, whereas Cindy has the sticky-on tips. Focus camera. Yeah, can you see that? These ones are slide-in and these ones are stuck on. So I've got one of each hand. Oh my goodness! And this is the full hand with the arm, with the sleeve, and the clamp, which is so handy to have. I haven't been using a clamp with Cindy. She's just been plotting up on my little stand here. But Naomi's going to be able to clip on. And the fingers are metal skeleton, so you can bend the fingers and position them wherever you want, meaning Naomi is poseable. Oh, yes. Kelly. Oh, I love her. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now, I did purchase her. Obviously, you know, my own money, all that. But thank you, Kelly. Oh, love her. Love her. Oh, she's wonderful. I can't wait to have a play. Right, let's have a look what else we've got in the box. Sit down, Naomi. Sit. Right. There is a little leaflet. It says, thank you for homing a Handolly. Please do not use sharp files or tools on me. I'm acetone, monomer and IPA safe. Wash me, keep me away from pets and share my photos. And then we've got the website handolly.co.uk, planforpanic.com at Handolly's homepage. And it says, push tips in fully upside down. Now, Kelly did mention this to me. The tips. Right, there we go. There's the tips. I'll show you the tips. Kelly always sends spare tips with her Handollies and a packet of nail guards. So those are the nail guards. Right, so the tips. Get off. Right. So traditionally, you would insert the tips this way with the number at the free edge. With the way Kelly has designed her tip lock system, zoom you in, Yeah, the way Kelly has designed her tip lock system, you actually put the tips in backwards so that the number is where you push the tip into the slot. Yeah, and then it will click in. So you'll have to just file the free edge a little bit to shape it, because obviously that's supposed to be cuticle area, but we're flipping it round. Yeah, just to make sense. So if I show you here, and you have to push them all the way down in, she said. Alright, so if I take this one out, I'll show you. Now, I don't know if you can see that. The number is here. So instead of doing it this way with the number out, you actually turn it round. And there's the slice there, and you just slide the tip in, but you have to slide it all the way in. Oops, I've not done that properly. Like that. So it has to go all the way in, and then it will be really sturdy to let's push it in. I haven't pushed it in all the way actually. There we go. Then now, can you see that? It's very sturdy. You see that? You see, look at the pressure on my finger. I'm moving that and it's not budging. So when you're filing, not a problem. Look at the pressure on my finger. I'm really pulling that and it's not budging. Not budging. And I'm not putting my finger on the finger here. I'm literally just putting my finger on the tip. Can you see that? I'm not putting my finger on the finger. Look, I'm pushing. Look at that. Sturdy, sturdy, sturdy. Brilliant. Thank you for the sweeties. Got some love hearts. And in amongst with the tips, there looks like there's a little gift. Oh, look. Got some it says volcanic. Let's have a look. Oh, look. Get focus camera. Can you see the shimmer in that? There's all kinds of bits in there. Oh, if it doesn't, can you see that on my nail? Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Look at that shimmer. Can you see that shimmer? Oh, that is lush. Oh my goodness. It's got like a gold shimmer to it. It's like a dust. Oh, the name fits definitely. Volcanic. Yeah. Wicked. Love that. Thank you very much, Kelly. So yes, I will be doing some designs with my lovely Naomi soon, and I cannot wait. Oh, how exciting. Oh, I'm well chuffed. I'm well chuffed, Kelly. Thank you, darling. So yes, one more shot for comparison. This is the tan skin tone, and this is the dark skin tone. And you can see the difference. She's a warm chocolatey colour. She's not ashy looking. She's just a nice warm chocolatey colour. And there's my own skin tone for comparison too. Oh, is that wonderful? Right, I've got to stop going on now and do another video. Yes! So take care, peeps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.